Welcome to Space on a Shelf. I'm looking forward to this review. I've been collecting this line for a minute now. I've got the first wave with Ryu, Fei Long and the amazing Chung, and then the second wave, Dalsim. What a mint figure. Ken and Bison, oh my days, I'm loving these figures more and more with each one I get. And now we've got this guy, Deejay. I will be doing Guile and Cammy as a review as well later on in this month, maybe next month, but as soon as I get round to it. But for now, I'm loving everything Jada are doing. Today, let's have a look at this guy, Deejay. Okay, for the accessories, you can see right now we've got that screaming head. Actually, when I'm looking back at the game, he doesn't really do his screaming head too much, but I do like the screaming head. A lot of the times when he's throwing his punches and he's doing his things, he's got that smile on his face. But yeah, I love this head. Really good addition, so you can switch it up when you're doing your poses and doing your pictures or whatever you want to do. Then we've got them alternative hands. He's got that let's go pointing hand, so you know if he points at you, it's on. There's some throwdown gonna happen. Obviously, he's got the other hand, which is the thumb. You could say it's the thumb up, thumb down, a bit like that Gladiator. Is it Commodus? I think he was called. And he either put it up or he put it down. Yeah, another good addition. Next, we got that chain. He's got this nice gold chain, like he's sitting in a car listening to G Unit. That's what I picture him when he's got his chain on. However, I put this chain on him to take the photos, like you can see here, and popped his head off. I can't find the chain anywhere. It's on my floor somewhere, so I'm going to be digging around all night to find that. Nobody's hoovering this floor until I find that chain. The last effect, you get that stand like you've got with them all, and it's effect of his special move. I think it's called the Earth Slasher, something like that. But yeah, still a great like piece that shines a light on the character from Jada. So absolutely loving it. Nice accessories. Yeah, look at this figure. Look at this figure. For me, super accurate. As all Jada figures are accurate to the source material. I'm loving this figure, absolutely loving. I love his pants. The way that Jada do pants, just like no other. Do you know what I mean? So even though, you know, when you bend his knee, it might break up the deco that he's got down the side of his leg, it still looks mint. So like I was saying before, the inclusion of that thumb, and you know, if we're talking about paint apps and sculpt and detail and how it references that source material, you know, sculpt and paint apps here just bang on from Jada. And you know, being more, you know, looking more at the paint apps. If you're looking at these pictures now and these videos, like you can see that he's got that M on his head. You know, the face, the paint and everything to his face. For me, Jada can do no wrong right now. Like everything, I love everything about this figure. I can't tell you just how awesome this figure is. Now, don't get me wrong, when I thought about Deejay, I was like, maybe not. You know what I mean? I'm not really bothered about that character. But got him out of the box, and I was like, I was texting my mate saying, yo, this guy is just a different level. Just because of, you know, how he looks, he's just sickness and chips. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to fly through some videos and you'll see him with the lineup. So you can see we've got him with some Marvel Legends, then we got him with the Simpsons, and then we got him with the rest of the crew, Street Fighters. Okay, so when it comes to playing, I'm going to finish off each of my reviews with some pausing. I hope you've enjoyed this. Let me know what you think of this figure, if you've got him. Let me know how you feel like this review went. If you've got any feedback, I'd gladly take it on board. Happy to improve where I can. So thanks for watching. Enjoy the poses.